If you followed this channel for any length of time, you know that I'm a huge smart home proponent. I have a lot of technology in the house, a lot of automation, and generally it all works really, really well. I have a technology background. I understand that none of this stuff is perfect, and as a matter of course, I don't typically make videos that complain about technology. In this case, I have to make an exception. What you saw in the opening sequence there, the opening 30 seconds or whatever it ends up being, is a dismantled Insteon Hub Pro, as it's called. The reason it's dismantled is because it has failed. And this is the second one of these devices that has failed for me in 3 or 4 years. And just fed up. Even when the device was quote unquote working, it doesn't work well. The technology just does not work well. Very frequent periods of disconnect or lack of connectivity, just not well done, not at all. So, and it's a real pain because that hub communicates with receiver modules that you have to put in the canopy of the ceiling fans, which, I get it. They've got to have a way to communicate, but this stuff just needs to be a whole lot more reliable than it is. So, me being me, how to solve the problem? Well, I'm going to create my own solution, and I figured the journey, the process of doing that would make a good video series. So, welcome to installment number 1. This is kind of my intro, giving you some background as to why I'm doing what I'm doing, and maybe save you from the horrible experiences that Insteon has subjected me to. But yeah, the next video in the series, I think, will be an exercise in shopping for the components that I'll use to build my own solution. Be warned that what I choose will be way overpowered for the task at hand, but that's just a start. As we go on, we'll likely whittle it down to more suitable components, more power suitable components for such a simple task. But it should be fun. Look forward to taking you on the ride. Like, subscribe to the channel so that you know when I post new videos in the series. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. You'll see me in the next one.